Hello, welcome back to another video, and today I will be basically cooking scallops. The reason why I did this is because I'm kind of going on a Gordon Ramsay crave, such as I've been watching Gordon Ramsay, Hell's Kitchen, like a lot in the past couple weeks. And from what I saw on the show, a lot of people were having trouble with cooking scallops. To me, it seems really easily. I mean, everyone on YouTube just says you just cook one side for a minute and then flip and cook for another minute and then they're ready. So this video is going to basically prove if it's easy or not, because this is my first time ever really cooking anything. And if I can do it, then there's no reason why they shouldn't be able to if, they've been training and had years of experience. And I hope you enjoy. Okay, so the first thing is everyone is saying that the scallops need to be dry, and that's because it takes a short amount of time to officially get that full sear on one side and to be able to cook it thoroughly. So what I got going on is I got 8 scallops right here. They're frozen, It cost me a lot of money, 20 bucks, which is insane to me. But I'm putting them on this paper towel and covering up another paper towel so that that moisture and from the water coming off it just seeps into this paper towels, and I can completely dry them and get ready for them to cook. All right, so they're room temperature now. They're dry. You need to make sure they're dry so they can sear properly. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it to medium. At least that's what I saw them say. You turn to medium. Once you turn to medium, now what you got to do is you got to put your olive oil in. So it'll come out. It's a big pan, that's why I'm doing so much. This helps with everything, not sticking. At least I think. Like I said before, this is like my first time actually cooking something. So it's just a test to see if it's actually this difficult or not. Just pour a little more on, I think. I'll show it when I get to it. But then right before you put on your scallops, you're going to use salt and pepper, and you're going to evenly season both sides. The only reason why I know this is because I did some research and actually looked into recipes, watched videos on how they made them properly. And yeah, I've just been actually trying to learn how to do cooking. But once, the oil comes to simmer, I'll coat the scallops in seasoning and they'll be ready to cook. All right, the pan is now simmering, or whatever it's called. Now you're just gonna, don't want to do too much, I think. Just enough to get that nice seasoning on. Get your black pepper. Bang. Now, you just, in about a minute, Alexa, set timer for 50 seconds.
50-second timer started for you.
All right, so that's what the final looks like. Now, just by feeling them, I'm almost 100% sure half of them are overcooked. I mean, you can tell just from this. but yeah, I mean, this is my first time, so you know, it just takes practice. Okay, so I didn't know if it was working. I'm almost 100% sure they're overcooked. I mean, I'm not even going to show you that because it's rubbery and spongy. I mean, like if you look, I don't know. Almost 100% sure they're overcooked. I'll still taste it in front of you. See, when I ate a scallop, it did not have that texture beforehand, like someone else cooked it. This does not taste like that at all. I mean, it does, but not the texture. Like, so I mean, like if you know food and scallops, make sure to comment and tell me if this is cooked or not. I mean, it has to be cooked. I cooked it on just above medium, and I cooked it for 10 minutes. Basically 5 minutes each side, and I flipped them multiple times. I mean, there's a difference. These are sea scallops. They're the bigger ones. The bay scallops, they're smaller ones. I watched a video. He said, you remember that because bays are smaller than seas. I had bay scallops, so maybe it's different. I don't know why it would be different. They're the same animal, just bigger. They taste good, but their texture is just so awkward and weird to eat. It's like, you know those scrub daddies? It's like putting it on your mouth, but it's more tougher. That's what it feels like. But it tastes really good, I won't lie. That's how that one melted, I won't lie. This one's messed up one, maybe it's, you can tell, I mean, it really got burnt. I don't know. I even asked Alexa. You'll see in the video, I mean, I said it earlier. I asked Alexa, when do you know it's cooked, right? They said, when it's white. I thought scallops are always white. Well, what's the difference? I mean, that's what they look like. No way. Well, that was disappointing. I guess it that actually tastes awesome. So my conclusion, for beginners, in my opinion, it's actually a little difficult. because I waited like 4 minutes and I had it above medium. That's why everyone said, Gordon Ramsay said, above medium. I did that. And then one side wasn't browning. So I didn't know what to do. No, I also use olive oil, and I did it earlier, you can tell. How come they stuck? Maybe I'm just, I don't know, not a good cook or something. But they stuck to the pan, and I couldn't, and like I had to forcefully use the tongs and pull them off. But yeah, I mean, in conclusion, in my opinion, they're not that easy as they seem. They would seem really easily, but they're not. Maybe it's because they're frozen scallops I'm using, not fresh ones. I was planning on this video also including sea bass, because when I was watching the show, they had that a lot. I'm just not going to do that, especially since it's frozen. I might as well just, I don't even know, figure something out. I think this is a unique video though. This is probably gonna be one of my only, maybe just the only one of cooking videos I do on this channel. The only other time I might do it is if we do a catch and cook. That's pretty much it. So I give props to every single Hell's Kitchen, contender. They earned some more respect, except Elise. She was the worst one. I hate her so much. She's just the worst contestant I've ever seen. Anyways, thank you for watching. Yous might be a little disappointed, what I showed yous. Yeah, I mean, it didn't work out. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, shoot me a comment, like I said, if what I could have done differently. I know I didn't show the scallops sizzling, and that's because I was trying to keep an eye on them, and I did not want to have to deal with a lot. But yeah, thank yous. It does mean a lot that you watch my videos, even if it's only a couple people. I mean, it's awesome to me to actually share content and, maybe be entertaining to a couple people. Thank yous. If you want, you can also watch my other videos. I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded in a while. I mean, as a teen, as a 16-year-old, it's kind of weird to say I'm busy. But I've been a little busy and I've been doing stuff, and I just gotta, find time when I actually go out and do, fishing. The only other thing I could do at home that I'm just too lazy to do was make baits. I'm planning on making more videos of that, sharing any color designs, any ideas at all on what I want to do, and ask yous if yous have any opinions, like more red, more green, pretty much anything. Thank yous. I hope yous have a good day.